Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen is completely black, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to several factors, such as a faulty screen or internal connections. Ignoring this problem can lead to further complications, making it harder to cook your favorite meals. Today, we'll show you how to fix this issue step by step, so let's get started. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement screen specifically designed for the Thermomix TM5. First, ensure your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical issues. Using your plastic opening tool, carefully insert it into the seam of the Thermomix TM5 to gently pry the casing apart. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. Once the casing is open, you'll see various components inside. The black screen is likely due to a faulty connection or a damaged display. Locate the display connector, which is typically situated near the top of the device. Gently wiggle the connector to see if it's loose. If it is, you can reattach it securely. However, if the display is still unresponsive, you will need to replace it. Carefully unscrew the screws holding the screen in place. These are usually small Phillips screws, so be cautious not to strip them. As you remove the screen, take note of any cables connected to it. Disconnect these cables gently, ensuring you do not damage any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement screen and connect the cables as per the original setup. Once everything is securely in place, screw the new screen into the device. After that, reattach the casing by gently pressing it back together, ensuring all clips are secure. Plug your Thermomix TM5 back in and turn it on to check if the screen is functioning correctly. If the screen lights up and displays properly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you handle your Thermomix carefully and avoid any moisture exposure. Regular maintenance can also help keep your device in good working order. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.